Welcome back everyone. Today we will discuss about how strong are acid and base solutions. The strength of acid and bases can be measured on a scale called pH scale. pH can be defined as the negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. pH scale generally ranges from 0 to 40. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represents an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents increase in strength of a base. A universal indicator solution, which is a mixture of several indicators, show different colors at different concentrations of hydrogen ions in solutions. Generally, paper impregnated with a universal indicator is used for measuring pH. The strength of acids and bases depend on the number of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions produced respectively. More the number of hydrogen ions, stronger is the acid. More the number of hydroxide ions, stronger is the base. Now we will watch a video related to this topic.
All of us would probably know that the pH of acids is less than 7, that of salts is 7, and that of bases is more than 7. Do we really understand what pH is? Let's dive a bit deeper into this concept. Okay, let's start with the basics. How do we identify if a substance is an acid or a base? That's right, we use an indicator. But given two acidic solutions, how do we know which one is stronger amongst them? How can we judge how strong an acid or a base is? And that's what pH helps us with. It gives us the measure of the strength of acids or bases. How does it do that? The pH takes into account the concentration of H plus ions in the solution. Yes, the pH measures the strength of acids and bases. But you'd probably be thinking that if pH only considers the concentration of H plus ions, how can it tell us how strong a base is? Remember, bases also contain H plus ions. Just that the concentration of H plus ions is far lower than that of the concentration of OH minus ions, so low that they are generally ignored. So to know how strong an acid or a base is, we have the concept of a pH scale. And it ranges from 0 to 14. 0 being very acidic and 14 being very basic or alkaline. And the pH of a neutral solution right here in the middle is 7. Understand that the pH is just a number which tells us how acidic or basic a solution is. More the concentration of the hydrogen ion, lesser will be the pH value. Yes, understand this well. More the concentration of the hydrogen ion, lesser will be the pH value. Now, if you look at the scale as we go towards the left, the pH value is decreasing, which means that if we go leftwards on this scale, the H plus ion concentration increases. And as we go rightwards, the H plus ion concentration reduces. And we know that higher H plus ion concentration implies that the solution is more acidic. So the acidic nature increases as we go towards the left. And as basic solutions have lower concentration of H plus ions, the basic nature increases as we go towards the right. So this pH scale is a very general way to understand how strong an acid or a base is. Let's take a very basic test to check if you've understood the concept of pH scale. I have two solutions A and B. Solution A has pH of 2 and solution B has a pH of 4. Which one is more acidic? Yes, solution A is more acidic as its pH is lower. Here's another one. Solution C has pH of 5 and solution D has a pH of 10. Which one is more basic? Note that solution C is acidic and solution D is basic. So relatively, solution D is more basic and we can see that its pH is higher too. A good way to remember this is to think of the first two letters of the English alphabet, A and B, acidic on the left and basic on the right. And don't forget, We still don't know how the number on the pH scale is calculated. That involves logarithms, which we haven't looked at yet. But how is the pH of a solution actually measured in real life? We'll see that in the next video.
Hope you would have understand. Now we will discuss about the importance of pH in everyday life. Living organism can survive in a narrow range of pH change. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. When this acid rain flows into the river, the survival of aquatic life becomes difficult. Plants also require a specific B at a range for their healthy growth. If the pH of soil is acidic, basic salts have to be added and vice versa. During indigestion, our stomach produces excess hydrochloric acid and this causes pain and irritation. This condition is also called as acidity. To get rid of this, people take antacids, which are mild bases. For example, milk of magnesia, baking soda, etc. When the pH of a mouth becomes less than 5.5, this results in tooth decay. Tooth enamel, calcium hydroxyapatite, is the hardest substance in our body. Remember, the hardest substance in our body that gets corroded when the pH is less than 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth produce an acid by big degradation of sugar in the mouth after eating and the pH of mouth decreases. This can be prevented by using toothpaste and also by rinsing mouth with water after every meal. Sting of honeybee is acidic in nature and it causes pain and irritation. Use a mild base on the sting gives relief. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanoic acid causing pain. So today we will end here. Hope that you have understand the topic clearly. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.